Shohei and this is Rohit. So today we are gonna start a new chapter, that is announcement. Okay, so I'll give you a hint by that you only identify. So Rohit, who is your mate? Announcement. What do you do? What do you do? Okay, now tell. Climate. Okay, by this you must have understood which chapter we are doing now. That is climate. So, welcome to our channel, Study with Rolak. Okay guys, so now we are gonna do climate lesson. So first of all, what is climate? But before knowing that, Rohit, concentrate. Okay, Rohit. So, but before knowing that, you need to understand what is climate. So many members must be thinking that climate and weather both are same, but there is actually a lot of difference between them. So Rohit, can you please tell the definition of weather? Okay, Rohit, sure. So Rohit, what is the atmospheric condition in morning? Morning is very hot. Okay. What is the atmospheric condition in evening? It is cold. Okay. What is atmospheric condition in night? It is very cold. So by this we can say that the atmospheric condition is changing in a day. So this is called as weather. Weather is nothing but the change in temperature from a particular time is called as weather. Now what is climate? Climate is nothing but here if you take, suppose if you take here a weather. So the sum of all these weathers together over a long period of time, like for some 30 years, we call it as climate. So guys, you often see that climate is not stable. It is changing every month or every days you can say, or like every year. So why is it changing? You know that? So in order to know, you should know about the factors of climate. So the factors of climate are changing the weather and the climatic conditions. So basically, what are these factors? They are humidity, precipitation, temperature and wind. And now we are going to learn them in more detail. So first of all, what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is nothing but something rise in heat or something rise in cold or decrease in cold. So there are two types of temperature. There are high temperature and low temperature. What do you mean by high temperature? It is nothing but above 38 degrees Celsius. We can call it as high temperature. What do you mean by low temperature? It is nothing but below 10 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius. So next if we go to precipitation. What do you mean by precipitation? It means rain. The amount of rainfall over a particular place in a particular time is called as precipitation. So what is precipitation? It is the amount of rainfall over a particular place in a particular time. And next, what is wind? Wind is, suppose if you take air, if the air is moving at a constant speed, we call it as wind. So wind is nothing but moving air. Suppose if you think Rohit as air, if he is moving at a constant speed, then we can call him as wind. And next, if we go to humidity. What is humidity? It is the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. So during hot summers, you feel sometimes sweaty and you feel sometimes like some irritated or something. This is because of the water vapor that is present in the atmosphere. And next, these are the factors that are affecting, these are the factors of climate and weather. Right, continue. We all know from UKG that climate or temperature is not same from place to place. For example, let's ask a brilliant question to Lohit. Lohit, what is the temperature of Rajasthan? Rajasthan, 50 degrees Celsius. You are absolutely wrong, Lohit. The temperature is 51 degrees Celsius. Lohit, what is the temperature of Dras? Dras, it is minus 40 degrees Celsius. You are again absolutely wrong, right? The absolute temperature is minus 45 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at the picture. Rajasthan, Dras. So like how the temperature varies from place to place, in the same way precipitation also varies from place to place. Like if you go and check at Meghalaya, it almost rains 400 centimeters of rainfall. Like in the same way, monsoon also gets 400 centimeters of rainfall, and it is termed as the wettest place in India. Not only in India, it is the wettest place in the world. So it is a very super thing for India. And the next thing, if you go to Rajasthan, I have already told you that Rajasthan has 50 degrees Celsius. That means very high temperature. But in contrast, it has very low precipitation. It only rains 10 centimeters or less than 10 centimeters of rainfall in Rajasthan, due to which there are many droughts, due to which many members are suffering. So these are the temperature and precipitation variations.